Hello everyone, welcome to Code One, and today I'm going to show you demonstration of another AI/ML project which is developed using Python, AI/ML, and deep learning. And I will put this link in the description. You can go through this project detailed documentation. So you will get all the features, functionality, what this project is doing, what are the tools and technology we are using. I will show you the demonstration for the flow, but for the tools and technology, you can refer this documentation, what different LLMs is using, and tools and technologies we are using as a core language is Python, and then we are using deep learning framework like TensorFlow and Keras, and we have different libraries. Okay, and in order to run the application, I'm just moving into my Visual Studio Code, and I need to pass one command to run it. So let me run it first, and let's discuss about the flow and working of this project. This is a word species recognized project. In this we can upload a audio file, audio sound of a bird, and our AI system will recognize, analyze that sound, and find the information about that bird and create a spectrogram, and keep the information about that bird after by the sound. Okay, so as I entered here, like you can see, as I entered here, okay, you can see here, as I enter that command, it's loaded here like localhost 8501 is started. This is a streamline UI where we can, this is your home page where we can upload different file like web file, mp3, and ogg. So let me upload a audio file and see how the output will work. So in order to upload the file, just click on the browse file, and here okay, one more important thing, this system is trained for these 10 types of birds, these 8 types of bird. So I guess it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 birds are there. So different, you can upload only audio sound for these birds. Okay, so we have some samples here into our audio folder. So let me explore this, and let me find this. I'm going to copy it, this path that I'm going to use while I'm going to upload it. So when I click on the audio, I just upload it, and when I click on this, you can see that here, you can hear the sound here. This seems coil, Asian coil, we can say. And when I click on the identify bird call, it will load the, okay, let me stop this sound first. Yeah, it will load, get the information about this bird audio. It will get the information of this audio after analyzing the audio. You can say this is Gaussian coil, and confidence is verdict is 99.93. And if you click on the view spectrogram, it will give you spectrogram as well. Also here it's searching information about this bird. So I just pause it, and you have to wait because all the models are running on my machine only, so that's why it's taking time. And you can see the complete information about this bird. This is a coil, and have a different information, the origin of the coil, and mm, a lot of information about this, about the bird. Same, let's check some other audio as well. So we have some audio. Let me upload this one, it might be different, the same. Okay, this is sparrow, this, yeah. So this sound is different, and you can see it's showing this is a barn swallow, and it's searching information about it, and it's created a spectrogram as well. So you can see the spectrogram for this, and again it's searching information, and sometime it will give the information in just 30 or 20 or 30 seconds. So yeah, you can see the information about this bird we are getting from our AI tool. So this is a good project for learners or a student. If you need the source code, you can connect us over the WhatsApp or the mail, and we'll give you complete source code, as well as we will help you to set up the project at your machine. And in this state you will get the project, and after that you just need to run one command, and then the project will launch over your Chrome browser and you can operate it. So it's a good major project. If you want, if you are a final year student, so you can have it. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe, code one, and in case you have any query, just connect us over the WhatsApp. Thank you.